Motors Sports Mania, the ultimate pit stop for high-octane enthusiasts, performance junkies, and lovers of pure automotive adrenaline. We bring you the latest and greatest in hypercars, supercars, motorsport machines, and every beast on wheels that ignites passion. In this detailed breakdown, we dive headfirst into the bold and stunning 2026 Lamborghini Huracán, covering every inch of its DNA, from design philosophy to on-road behavior, interior enhancements, tech advancements, and a full review of its specs and features. This is not just a review. This is a journey into the soul of a next-generation Italian masterpiece. Lamborghini has never been known to take the back seat in automotive innovation, and the 2026 Huracán is a visceral reminder of why the raging bull continues to be a dominant force in the supercar sphere. Drawing from a legacy of precision, aggression, and unmistakable style, this new iteration refines the Huracán lineage while pushing boundaries that few rivals dare to approach. With the retirement of the naturally aspirated V10 in the previous models, the 2026 Huracán boldly adopts a new hybrid-assisted powertrain system without losing any of the signature roar, acceleration, and drama we expect from Sant'Agata Bolognese. Let's start with its aesthetics, where the Huracán's design remains instantly recognizable, yet clearly evolved. Sculpted with aerodynamics at the forefront, the exterior showcases Lamborghini's Y-theme motifs across the LED headlamps, taillights, and air intakes. The carbon fiber body panels offer reduced weight, enhanced structural rigidity, and superior airflow management. A prominent front splitter, dynamic rear diffuser, and the newly integrated active rear wing elevate performance through downforce optimization. The aggressive side profile blends sharp cuts with muscular haunches that communicate power even at a standstill. Under the rear deck lies the beating heart of this machine, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine mated to a compact axial flux electric motor, delivering a combined power output of approximately 850 horsepower. While purists might lament the departure of the iconic V10, this new powerplant is a marvel of engineering. The engine is lighter, more efficient, and delivers instantaneous torque, enabling a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in a blistering 2.5 seconds. The top speed hovers around 340 km/h, all while offering improved emissions and fuel economy thanks to its hybrid configuration. The 2026 Huracán also features a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission system designed specifically for hybrid optimization. Gear changes are lightning fast and beautifully violent when in Casa mode, but buttery smooth when cruising in Strada. The all-wheel drive system receives an overhaul with the inclusion of electric torque vectoring, offering unrivaled grip and agility through corners. The car sits on adaptive magnetorheological dampers, and combined with the dynamic steering system, it creates a driving experience that's as thrilling on the track as it is composed on urban roads. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini maintains its tradition of fighter jet inspiration while injecting a new layer of digital sophistication. A fully customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a floating touchscreen infotainment display, and augmented reality heads-up display make the interface feel futuristic but still driver-focused. The materials are beyond premium: Alcantara, carbon composite, forged aluminum, all crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Lamborghini even offers extensive customization options through their ad personam program, allowing owners to tailor nearly every element of the car's interior and exterior aesthetics. Connectivity is another area where the 2026 Huracán excels. Featuring seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and onboard telemetry, the car becomes a rolling data center. The integrated driving coach feature records your laps and provides feedback on braking points, steering angle, throttle inputs,